Hello there. Today we will have our number 6 lesson. Okay, the lesson is the cylinder form, and when you know how to use the cylinder form, you can make many things out of the cylinder form. For example, this canister. Then we have the soda can, we have a pitcher, and then we have a slice of a tree trunk. Okay, now our challenge for today is to study the cylinder form and turn it into something else. Okay, so we move this and we'll get our worksheet number 6. Okay, worksheet number 6. Okay, so let's look at the worksheet. Again, we have here the guideline, and you will notice this. Where did this started? Did you notice this? Where? This is the ellipse. Okay, remember ellipse, and we have two sections of ellipse, one at the bottom and one at the top, and we have the vertical center line. Okay, so once we have that, we put the ellipse down, connect. Okay, so and then it will look like this. Okay, for the final line. Now this can be standing or lying down. Okay, so are you ready for the exercise? Now let's start from here. Are you ready? So let's see. Let's move on. Again, first and foremost is the vertical line on the center. Okay, vertical center line. Then we put the ellipse that is 1, 2, 3. Then we have another 1, 2, 3, and we want them close to each other as possible. Okay, then we can move from here, and we move from, and then be sure to have the balance. Okay, balance. Okay, so we have this. Then if you know already how to do the ellipse, remember the letter C here, letter C, and letter C here, and letter C. Okay, so we try to make, and for the top we will complete the ellipse. Okay, we will complete the ellipse. So we will complete the ellipse. Okay, so once we completed the ellipse, we will go down. This time we can have the complete ellipse. It's okay, but do we need the whole ellipse? So we will just focus on half. Okay, half only. So half ellipse only. Okay, so this one is whole and this one is half, and we will connect both the edges like so, and on the other side straight like so. Then there we have the cylinder. Okay, so let's do one more for the final. So that's the practice. Do final. We will do 2, so we have 1, and then actually we can do thin or fat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can do thin, or thin means you can move this closer to the center. Okay, so if you want longer, then longer, you just stretch the center line, and if you want wider, you can stretch this out, or you want thinner, narrower, you can move this way. Okay, so let's try the and then we will do only half here, half. Now the curve here must be the same curve also here, okay? And we just go straight here and go straight. Now we can clean our guideline just enough. Leave some for the teacher to see that you use the guideline. The same also for the one like this one here, so we can do the horizontal line in the center, and we can do this 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Yeah. You want to do like this, it's fine. You can do also like this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we go this way and we go this way. Now this one is a bit narrow, okay? Then we want to go this one and half there on the other side. Okay, and we can now finalize our line like this, and also on the other side. Then we can have this one. Okay, there. So now it's lying down. Okay, then clean the guideline. So we have this. Okay, done. Now let's move on to the what's next, the test. Okay, for your test, so we'll do the same. It says drawing must be larger than the box. Okay, let's start quickly. Now we can use this, so we do this, and we can do 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we got this. We can have this line, okay, and to be sure, so we just estimate like this, so it will be from here. Okay, now we can put our ellipse, letter C, and half only here, so we only have half here. Okay, half. Now we're ready to put our final. Okay, and we know already that we will be landing there, and then we'll do here. So what do you think we can do with this? What do you think we can do with this? Okay, so we can double this for a can or something. Okay, we can make this double. Okay, now what do you think this? What can we do with this? Okay, so we have a cylinder. Yes, a tube cylinder. Okay. For inside, if you want it open, then you'll just do like this. Let's say, so it will tell you that this is hollow inside. Okay, and that's it. That's the hollow. Okay, so this is now what we can do. So then we can clean, so it will be neat drawing. Okay, that's the cylinder. Okay, we can make this into what? A product or whatever. Let's say this is a juice. Okay, there. Now, there you are. So we have studied the cylinder with this guideline and forming into any of a cylinder form like this. Okay, and this is all for today. I hope you learned something on exercise number 6, which is the cylinder form. Okay, get your papers and pencils and go challenge. Remember, everybody can draw.